Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Trick. Little quick video on this end if you didn't watch part one. I think if you wanted to look more like this letter, let's take a 2-point line and go from the midpoint down to the midpoint, go to the midpoint, up to the midpoint, and then that's going to be the midpoint there and go here. Now, let's measure the distance from here to here. So let's take our parallel dimension tool and measure from right there straight up is 0.08. So let's set our nudge factor on 0.04. And let's take a 2-point line, start moving it, and then hold down the control button and put it right here on this line. Now nudge it down that distance and then just take away this part of the line, that part of the line, that part of the line, that part of the line, and that part of the line, and look at that. You've got a perfect, more like the font. Now, he does neon signs, so I don't know if that's too sharp of a point. Let's make it a little bit bigger, and let's nudge it up, that 0.04, make it a little bit longer. Then take the virtual segment delete key and delete the line. Whoop, I need that line. Delete these lines you don't need. Now, I would strongly suggest when he does this, move this out of the way and weld this to make all those lines solid. And then you could put it right back in there and look at that. Of course, you know, I don't know, are you going to need to cut this letter off? Because we made it smaller. Virtually, let's see, I think these two letters are equal in height. This one is 1.349, 1.3. See, they're not even the same anyway. But if we look at it like this, if we take a indexing line and put it right there, that's really the center's on the bottom of that line. So that might be the way you want it. Anyway, just another idea and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.